Hello children, how are you today? Before watching video, please subscribe channel and press bell icon for more videos. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for juice.
J for juice.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nesto.
O for orange.
For orange.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rose.
R for rose.
S for snail.
S for snail.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for water.
W for water.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
I for yellow Z. For zebra.
For zebra.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.